Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies good. First, always start with high-quality ingredients. Real butter, fresh eggs, and good vanilla extract make a huge difference in taste. Next, accurate measuring is crucial, especially for flour. Spoon it into your cup and level it off. Also, make sure your butter is at room temperature. This helps it cream smoothly with sugar, creating a perfect base for your dough. Once your butter is soft, cream it with sugar for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Then, add eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each to ensure everything is well combined. Finally, whisk your dry ingredients like flour, baking soda, and salt in a separate bowl before gently folding them into the wet mixture. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies. For perfect baking, always preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures an even temperature from the start. Place your cookie dough on parchment-lined baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. To elevate your cookies, try chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. This helps prevent spreading and deepens the flavor. A small pinch of flaky sea salt sprinkled on top right after baking can also really enhance the sweetness. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that could change your financial perspective, make sure to check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.